inspire us to go out into the world to get great things and then welcome us back for refreshment. But when lockdown happened, each one of us realized how important it is to have a comfortable yet beautiful space to oneself. It's not about having a big house or a small home, but it's about energies and memories we create in our space. Hello and welcome to Rabbi Rashi Foundation. Sangeeta Vashisht, Director at Springs Home Decor Private Limited and AmoliConcepts.com. A passionate designer and an entrepreneur, a beautiful human being who will help you make your house a home. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है संगीता जी.
Thank you.
So to start with, Sangeeta ji, talk us through your professional journey. Brand Sangeeta Vashisht, brand Springs Home Decor.
I started my life journey from a very small city called Ajmer in Rajasthan. And most of my education happened from Ajmer, from Sophia Girls School and a Sophia Girls College. And, being a small city student, completely woman-oriented college in a school, I was a very shy personality right from the beginning. And, then I wanted to be a doctor first. As any young person keeps changing what they want to do in life. And then I realized that maybe I'm more good at marketing. Then I chose to do Masters in Business Administration from Rajasthan University from Jaipur. And then, like any other young person would be, I wanted to go into a metro and experiment my job or experiment the city life. So I moved to Delhi after my Masters in Business. But then I realized I was not fit for the metros. People were much more smarter. People used to bully me. I was a girl with 2 flats from a small city, never interacted much with boys. So it was a big, big struggle. I was bullied in my jobs, wherever I worked, I started my career. I felt my bosses were not nice to me. My colleagues felt that I am some villager coming from a small city. And, so there was a struggle, the career struggle. There came a phase in my life where I realized that I can't be the personality I am. I need to really do something about it. And that time I got married and my husband came into my life and, he kind of pushed me. He realized that I am too timid to handle this Delhi culture. And, and then certain tragedy happened in my life. And then I took this step that, listen, I want to do something of my own. And then I started this brand Springs Home. And Springs Home was started at home. And due to certain tragedy in my life, I had no money at all. So I started a career with a borrowed computer from home. And there's a popular place called Ganga Shopping Complex where I used to access a net cafe. I used to spend limited amount of money I have to start this career. And it just took a turn. And I say destiny also plays a very big role besides the hard work you do. So maybe destiny was in my favor and the brand started. And then I never looked back. It went on and on. I started with employing one person. Now I have a team of 25 people working at my organization.
Each entrepreneur has a touchy story. And I think Sangeeta Vashisht has one. Sangeeta ji, tell us about AmoliConcepts.com.
It was my parent company, Springs Home. We run a license office. So I represent lots of foreign clients in India and I handle the complete sourcing and quality control for them. So I'm interacting with more than 400, 500 exporters, small artisans, manufacturers all across India. And while running this company, I realized that still India does not have a very good home brands, which could be like named as a very good brands, which do a complete story of a product line. So somebody is doing plants, somebody is doing cushion covers, somebody is doing frames. So there's nobody who's doing a complete curated collection of home products. And that's how Amoli Concepts came in formation. And, we started this brand curating beautiful products for people who normally go international to buy home products. They feel international products are better. We got the same collection to them in India. And Amoli means Amulya, which means unique.
We simply love the energy and the entire concept. Congratulations to Sangeeta ji on this. Sangeeta ji, what exactly inspired you with these unique, different kind of brands? Over to you.
So, as I said, I was a very shy and a very timid girl who came to Delhi and was bullied by people all across. And I was very frustrated. And, the kind of, I was asked to quit the companies, or I was asked to buy or give favors to the bosses. So that kind of killed me. And I thought I have to do something on my own. But then, being from a middle class, from being no financial support, so it's very difficult to take this decision until you have a support in your life. So my husband and I had few friends who were like kind of there behind me and supported me and pushed me. So there came a phase in my life, and unfortunately I lost my son during that time. He was 2 years old. And that time I thought I have to escape from the world and do something. And that's the time I quit from my job actually, and I sat at home, thought about various options, and just went ahead. So nothing is very difficult in my life, and nothing is difficult in anybody's life if you're determined to do it. And of course, as I said, destiny does play a role.
How has your childhood and upbringing influenced your work ethics? Over to you.
As I said, I was born in a very middle class family, a very big joint family. And my father was doing a job in railways. And, we were three kids of his own, and besides a huge family, my grandparents, his own brothers and sisters, uncle and aunt, we were staying in the same family. And but my father and mother have been very, very motivating day one. My mother is not educated at all. She's a housewife. And but being a simple woman, she was a very, very strong character. And they kind of always gave a liberty to us to do whatever we wanted to do in life. So right from the beginning, we were very motivated that we have to be very career oriented. My mother's focus was we must study and do something of our own. And other thing which really inspired me was my father's career. He was into a technical background, and he was always offered lots of bribes, and lots of favors were asked by people. But he was so determined and so honest. So he never took any favors. Maybe he would have taken the favors, we would have a luxurious life, but he never took favors. And he made us struggle through that middle class life. And maybe the credit goes because of my character of my mom, honesty, and inspiration of my father, that all three kids are very happily settled and we are making our own careers.
That's totally wonderful. Sangeeta, Vashish ji, aap ye bataiye, what are the different products and services does Spring Homes Decor offer?
And Springs Home does specialize into homes. So we do anything related to home, that is bedding, curtains, tabling, lamps, any decor, table decor. So anything related to home is what Springs Home does. And we kind of supply those beautiful products to the clients overseas, help the exporters and help the buyer in making a beautiful collection.
And all the different product pictures, some of the best sellers are in this video. I would request all the communities we are connected with to have a look and decide and go ahead and buy. Sangeeta ji, there are many home decor brands in the market. I want you to share the USP of Springs Home Decor and Amoli Concepts.
The brand Amoli Concepts, we focus on getting a collection from small artisans all across India and curating the collection. So if anybody has a home, wants to buy a cushion, we guide them, take them through the process, that if they keep the certain table decor with it, certain kind of lamp with it, a coordinated bath mat, a coordinated rug. So it's a complete brand. It's not one product related. So USP is you can buy cushion from anywhere. So it would be very difficult for any person or a homemaker to analyze what would go beautifully with that collection. A cushion to be coordinated with rug, to be lamp, the kitchen decor. Our kitchen decor is really amazing. Lots of people haven't seen those beautiful platter plates and other things which we are offering. So it's a curation of different products into one collection. This is what Amoli is about.
And I'm sure because we personally also looked into the products and they are totally amazing. Sangeeta ji, what is special for the season?
Holy Concepts is really geared up. We are all crossing our fingers that next third wave does not come and we sail over it. So we've got a beautiful collection coming right from Navratras till Christmas. So we are all geared up. We are coming with beautiful collection of antique wooden products to go onto your wall, to go onto your table. We are coming with a range of contemporary furniture, which probably lots of people would not have seen in the Indian market. And then we have completely collection with a festive collection to gift, to use as a gifting for your loved ones for Diwali. Lots of people are short on ideas how to bring a reasonable gift to anybody you want to meet. So we have lots of gift packages which are coming beautifully wrapped, beautifully decorated, which you can exchange with your friends and make them feel welcome to your home or when you're visiting their homes.
Now, this is totally exciting. Even to hear, I think buying would be equally amazing. Sangeeta ji, you are a successful entrepreneur. What advice do you have for the youngsters who are following your footsteps? Over to you.
I have a young son who's 15 years old, my second child. And, he keeps telling mom that an Indian education system is based in such a way that we teach our kids, all the parents teach their kids, paro and get a nice job. Go ahead, get a nice job. I think that's it's a systematic error which we have in our systems. We should encourage our kids, study, but focus to be an entrepreneur in life at a very young stage when they are 11th standard, 12th standards. Encourage them to come up with new ideas. Do not push them too much on studies, because that's what my parents did right at the age of 11th. Like when I was 11th class student, 12th class student, they pushed us that do something of their own. But it was different. Like they asked me to open a hospital, become a doctor, but then at least focus them and do not push them too much on the education. And whenever they are coming with an idea of some successful business, encourage them to do that, because any top entrepreneurs in the world were supported by their parents. And then they became such a successful entrepreneur, and we look up to them. We tell our kids, become like that. Don't tell them become like that. Come up with the ideas, encourage them to have ideas, and help them to go forward.
So a change maker is giving the best advice on earth. Go ahead and do your own. Sangeeta ji, what about your social initiatives? Let us know about that.
The basic company, the parent company, Springs Home, since we work with more than 400 exporters, we have samples and samples in our office. So, we always put the sample sale on, and whatever money is generated out of this, it all goes to the charity where we are supporting lots of girls to have their education. There are about 8-9 girls in Noida where we are supporting the education. Besides that, we are providing it to a school in Madhya Pradesh where we are trying to push girls to have education, and any education related expense, whether books, we never give cash, we try to buy the product to them. I'm also a member of Women of Noida, and Women of Noida does lots of initiative where they do lots of charities, computer distribution, books distribution. I'm also an active member of it.
I think that is great work, because only someone who is very empathetic and someone who is very touchy can understand that recycling of the samples and generating money and providing education, this is totally beautiful, and we've never had such an experience on our show. Let us tell you that, Sangeeta ji, this is beautiful. Sangeeta ji, what about the different segments you work with? Over to you.
Springs Home, the parent company, and even Amoli Concepts always believe in supporting small artisans. So we are working right from Karur down south to Cochin to Banaras for carpets, to Jodhpur for wooden furniture, to Jaipur for ceramic and wooden furniture and tie and dye products, to Saharanpur and Muradabad. So basically, you can say anywhere, any city which is producing art, people can approach us. If they have beautiful products, they want certain guidance from us, we welcome those people. We never say no to any supplier. We like to look at the products, guide them through it, and we want everybody to grow with us.
And I think this is the key to great business people out there who are actually the heart of the business community. And I think this is totally beautiful. Sangeeta ji, how is your brand adhering to COVID protocols?
Amoli Concepts, we have a factory premises in Noida. Most of our staff has been like a family for almost 10 years. And we got everybody vaccinated right from the warehouse, and it was company's responsibility. We got it vaccinated. We made sure that people, of course, they sanitize us, and we sanitize our office on a weekly basis. Basically, every packaging which we are doing is done in front of our cameras. We have a complete open warehousing space where there are inspection tables. Everything is inspected and packed. So we are making sure we crossing fingers and taking care of everything.
Sangeeta ji, we would want you to speak about your reachability.
Amoli Concepts brand can be looked at on www.amoliconcepts.com. It's a completely e-commerce site. Every category is beautifully mentioned with complete description and usage. You can reach out through Instagram. My personal Instagram is Sangeeta Vashisht, and the company Instagram is amoliconcepts.com. For artisans who want to export or people who want to enter into exports, can look at us on www.springsdecor.com. So, and the telephone numbers and other details can be shared by Rush.
As we evolve, so our homes should too. Get in touch with Sangeeta Vashisht. Her entire details, numbers, different handles available in this feed, on the video. In case you want to work with them with your products, please let us know. We will put you across to Sangeeta ji. It's very easily. Their website details are so easily accessible. Springs Home Decor. Please go ahead, Amoli Concepts, go ahead and buy happiness from them. And they are truly doing some great work. आपका बहुत बहुत thanks, Sangeeta ji.